In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a TradingView chart. If you've ever wanted to share your trading ideas or insights with others and gain feedback, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and intuitive. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to your TradingView dashboard. This is your hub for all things charting and analysis, and accessing it is easy as logging into your account on TradingView's website. Once you're in the dashboard, take a moment to ensure you're viewing the chart you wish to share. Next, you'll want to look for the Publish option, which is typically located on the top right-hand side of the screen. Clicking on Publish will open up some options for sharing your work. Here, what we're really interested in is the Publish Idea feature. This important step is where you begin the process of making your insights public. After clicking on Publish Idea, you'll be prompted to describe your idea or analysis. This is where you share your thoughts, any key insights, or the rationale behind your chart. Being clear and concise here is vital, as this is what your audience will read first. Think of it as setting the scene for your chart. Once you've articulated your ideas, click on Continue. This will lead you to a page where you can make any final edits before publishing. It's a good idea to take a brief pause here to review all the details, ensuring clarity and accuracy in your explanations. Now, you should see an option that mentions agreeing to TradingView's house rules. You'll need to check this box, which states that you promise to abide by their guidelines. It's crucial to understand these rules, as non-compliance could result in your post being hidden or removed. This measure ensures that the community remains respectful and insightful. Finally, once you've confirmed your understanding of the house rules, you're ready to proceed by clicking on Publish Public Idea. By doing so, your chart and accompanying insights will become visible to the wider TradingView community. This is an excellent opportunity to showcase your analytical skills and connect with like-minded traders. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to sharing your charts on TradingView. Sharing publicly can not only help others learn, but also foster discussions and alternative perspectives. Remember, effective communication is key, and with some practice, you'll be an expert in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.